Hello and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Charlotte here, and today I'm sharing a quick tip video to show how to store embossing pastes or texture pastes and similar. I got this modelling paste for Christmas and I asked in Stamp Junkies for ideas of how to store it, and I'm going to share some of the tips I got with you. One of the suggestions was to put a circle of wax paper into the lid, which is what I'm showing now. I just die cut a circle of wax paper and popped it into the lid, making sure the lid was relatively clean first. Another tip was to use cling film, and this is very straightforward. Just put it on over the top and then screw the lid on. I don't know that you would need both the wax paper and the cling film because I guess they're doing a similar job to each other, but there's probably no harm in having that extra protection. And then another suggestion I received was to store the pot in a Ziploc bag. So just very simply place the pot into the bag, press the air out and zip it up. The person who made this suggestion also said that they store their paste in the fridge. I haven't tried that myself. I would worry that the cold might make the paste thicker, but I don't know, that's another thing to consider at least. So those are the tips on how to store your pastes. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like to see how to use your embossing pastes or texture pastes, I'll link to a video here where you can see them. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button, and if you didn't, then the dislike button is right next to it. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments down below. If you'd like to see more of my videos, you can press the subscribe button that's on screen now, and there are also a couple of other videos on screen if you'd like to see more from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!